Hey, what is up, people? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. It's me, Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your KUCCPS account using Student Portal. So if you guys do not know what Student Portal is, then basically when college and other, institute create their website, then basically if you guys are a student, then when you're trying to log in into your account, you need to log in through Student Portal. For teacher, there's another portal, alright? So there's, different portal according to different, members of that institute. So for teachers, there's different. For student, there's different. For other stuff, there's different, alright? So that's basically what it is. So let me show you guys how you guys can enter through a student portal. But before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment, and let's jump right into the video. So the first step is you want to go to your search engine and you want to search for KUCCPS Student Portal. After you search for it, you want to click on where it says student login over here. After you click on student login, it's going to take you to its official website where student can log into their account. Now once you're over here, you want to enter your KSCE index number, the number which is given to you by your school, and your KCSE year. After entering the year, you want to enter your account's password. And if all the information you entered over here is correct, then basically once you click on login, you should be able to log in into your account. So that's basically how you guys can log in into your KUCCPS Student Portal. So if you guys are a student, you need to follow the step which I just showed you to log in through your Student Portal. And for teacher, there's a different way, alright? So hope you guys were able to log in into your school's account. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye until then, and have a nice day. And stay tuned for our future video and How to Guide YouTube channel.